In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notta AI to take smart notes from Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. If you're someone who often finds yourself in back-to-back online meetings, you'll know just how valuable detailed and accurate notes can be. With Notta AI, you can automate this process and ensure that you never miss a moment of what's being said in your virtual meetings, all while freeing yourself up to be more present and engaged. First up, you'll need to sign in to your Notta account. If you don't already have one, creating an account is simple and straightforward. Just go to the Notta website, follow the prompts to create a new account, and then log in once you've completed the setup. Having an account allows you to take full advantage of Notta's features, including its seamless integrations with various calendar and meeting platforms. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Integrations section. Here you'll see options for connecting Notta with Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and Zoom. This step is crucial because these integrations empower Notta to automatically sync with your scheduled meetings and start transcribing them for you. Choose the calendar service you typically use to schedule your meetings. This could be Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar, whichever suits your workflow best. If you use more than one, you can connect all that apply. After linking your calendar, use it to schedule your meetings as you normally would. Whether your preferred platform is Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, continue to set up your gatherings as you always have. The beauty of Notta is that once your calendars are linked, there's no additional setup involved for each meeting. Just carry on with your usual process. And now, a huge time-saving feature of Notta, the Notta bot. It's designed to join your meetings automatically and start the transcription process without you having to lift a finger. This means during every Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams meeting, NottaBot will quietly participate, capturing everything that's said so you can review the notes later at your convenience. It significantly reduces the cognitive load on you, helping you maintain focus without worrying about furiously scribbling down points or missing key details. What's even more impressive is that this capability works seamlessly across all three platforms. So irrespective of the platform your meeting is hosted on, you can rest easy knowing the NottaBot has it covered. And there you have it. By simply integrating your calendar with Notta AI, you transform how you manage